Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy from StarPets step by step. First, you need to create an account, which is a quick process using your email, Google, or Discord. Once logged in, navigate to your profile to add funds. You can choose from over 20 reliable payment methods. Remember, a small fee, often just a few cents, might be applied to your top-up amount, so factor that into your budget. Now that your account is funded, it's time for the fun part, browsing the market. You can easily search for specific pets or items using the search bar or explore different categories. Once you find something you like, simply click on it to view details and add it to your cart. Make sure to check for the best offers to get the most value for your money. With your desired items in the cart, it's time to finalize your order. Take a moment to review everything, ensuring all selections are accurate before proceeding. On the checkout page, you will see the total amount, including any small taxes. Confirm your purchase, and the system will deduct the cost from your StarPets balance, completing the transaction in just a few clicks. The final step is receiving your items directly in-game. Head to your StarPets inventory and select the items for withdrawal. You will then enter your in-game username and be prompted to add a specific bot as a friend. Once friended, join the bot server, teleport to its location, and send a trade request. The bot will then transfer your new items, usually within 1 minute, completing your purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.